Assalamu alaikum everyone, hope you're doing great. I welcome you to the platform where you can just learn almost all the things about the O-Level English 1123. Guys, in today's video, I am going to be talking about another very important document that a student of O-Level must have. That document is called ECR. The full form of the ECR is Example Candidate's Response. How is it important for us and how can it benefit? So guys, let's start in this way. For example, you write an article. And after writing an article, you really want to know a sample, or you really want to see a sample or a model answer. That whatever you're writing is what? Is it authentic? Can we see anything like, this is the standard and I have to write down something like this. So where is that sample? Where can I get this sample from? Where can I get that model answer from? Guys, that sample is called ECR, Example Candidate's Response. So what happens basically that thousands of students appear in the examination, right, worldwide. So examiners actually for a particular question, they check out that this is the answer from a student which is the highest response. And what do I mean by the highest response? In which probably a student has gotten 24 out of 25 or maybe 25 out of 25. So this is the highest response. So for example, someone in the world, a student in the world has written an article in which that student has gotten 24 out of 25. So that article is authentic, definitely. It's going to be my target as well to just write the article like this. So where do I get that article from? There is a document for this called ECR. Not only that, in the ECR, there is not always a higher response or high response. There are, you can see the middle and low responses as well. And why the middle and low responses? Just because I can gauge my performance that I have written the article to. I want to check that where am I standing in the low response, low category, middle category, or the high category. So guys, in order to understand it, it is very much important to just go and check out the ECR document. Guys, one more thing. After checking low, middle, and high responses, what is going to be my target? My target is the high response. If this is the most authentic response, and I will now try my best to just write something like this. So guys, you must be wondering where to get the ECR from, or this document from. So I've just attached the file in the description. I strongly recommend you to just simply go through that before we actually apply this information to the question, or before we just simply go to the actual past paper question, to associate the ECR with that, to have a better understanding and to get very good grades in the O-Level. So guys, this is the technical information I'm telling you, that if you just work in this way, your success is certain.